this video, we will learn about rusting of iron. The iron objects we commonly use in our day-to-day life often turn brown due to the formation of rust. Can you tell me what is rust? Is it an element, a mixture, or a compound? Rust is a compound named hydrated iron oxide. It is reddish brown and flaky. Iron reacts with oxygen and moisture to form hydrated iron oxide, which is rust. This process of formation of rust is called rusting. What happened to the iron nail that was kept for a few days in a test tube half filled with water? A layer of rust formed on the surface of the iron nail. Did rust also form on the iron nail that was placed in test tube B with oil and distilled boiled water? Little or no rust formed on this iron nail. Why did the rust form only on the iron nail placed in test tube A? Why not on the nail in test tube B? Little or no rusting took place on the iron nail in test tube B because the oil cut off the supply of oxygen to the iron nail present in test tube B, and distilled water contains very little dissolved oxygen. Whereas in test tube A, the iron nail is in contact with both oxygen and moisture, hence rust formed. Based on this experiment, we can conclude that the presence of both oxygen and water is necessary for rusting of iron. What kind of reaction is rusting? Rusting is an oxidation reaction because iron gains oxygen to form hydrated iron oxide. How does the process of rusting affect iron objects? Rust is flaky in nature and hence falls off the surface of iron. This leads to the wastage of iron and weakening of objects and structures made of iron. Thus, rusting is harmful oxidation reaction. Rust is a reddish-brown flaky layer of hydrated iron oxide. Iron reacts with oxygen and moisture to form rust. Rusting is a harmful oxidation